Nasaan na kayo ba? Nasaan na yung iba pa?
Bawal nga daw sila ano eh.
Sila MJ? Bakit?
Pwede ba?
Hindi, ewan ko lang.
Ano yan?
Hello! Hey guys! This is the Minecraft PC edition. With this video, I'll show you guys how to make a fucking tite in Minecraft. Step 1.
Meron mo tatlo.
Build and torch.
Bro, meron nga tatlo. Ay, Rob, gusto ko ng pasit kanton.
Mama si Asia, mama! Mama si Asia! Huwag kayo mag-basketball, mate. Mama si Asia! Ang sakit yung pilay ko na hawakan niya. Sige, dito ka kasi huwag mo hawakan yan. Dito ka. Ito ka siyang. Ini video the Minecraft. Oak trap. This is the oak trap in Minecraft. Now let's go and put some puta. Put some bone meal and you will be trapped in this. Like this. Then into the survival. And survival. Survival. Where are that bitches? Gone crazy.
Di, pwede mo giba ng katawan.
Paano yun? Creative again. Survival today. Oh, shit. Now for this trick, you need a bone meal. Boom. Oh, what the heck? What the heck just happened here? The title, and this is the drop. This is the drop we are waiting for. And pick up this and do the mob will say, "Who? What are these? And what are these bone meals for?" And put this. What the fuck? What again? Oh shit! Oh, I died! Help! 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 Help!
Hindi, naipit siya sa puno.
Oh, that's the brick. And fucking skeleton is on the way. Awas mo na, kaya mo nabas mo.
Mayroong ano, mga labo. Pero pre, nagawa niya ng labo.
Wala, ano to? Ba't nasira ng walls? Ah? Ano lang? Wala nga po siya eh.
Ang galing.
Now, put this tall grass. And the trick is the